Hi, this is Rob with JotandTittleTypewriters.com, and we're gonna show you how to change the ribbon. This is a Brother charger, and you just start by pulling the cover off. We'll pull it off to the side. On this one, you got a couple little tabs that help hold the ribbon spools in place, so we'll pull that one back and just set the ribbon there, and then pull this one back as well. There's a little thing right here that actually pulls it up, and that's that. And we'll just pull it up. And behind that one. And this one goes up behind. So that's got the ribbon out. We'll just kind of tighten it up. And then we're just going to reverse that process. Again, if you have a black and red ribbon, your black's always on top, red's on the bottom. And we'll just pull the arm back and put it in that side. And we're going to do the same on the left side. And put it in your ribbon guides on the left and right. And get it there. And there, it's in there. Now pull tight. Now here you're going to go behind. So take it behind the guides, pull it up, and then you're just going to pull it in on that side and in on that side. And then tighten it up, and that's how you change a ribbon on a Brother charger. Thank you.